Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the captivating world of artificial intelligence. From its humble beginnings to its current advancements, AI has come a long way. Let's explore the history of AI together. The history of artificial intelligence, AI, spans over several decades and is marked by significant milestones, breakthroughs, and advancements in technology. Did you know that the term artificial intelligence dates back to the 50s? Well, let's look into that. The concept of artificial intelligence emerged in the 1950s with the development of electronic computers. Back then, scientists began exploring the idea of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. Pioneers like Alan Turing, John von Neumann, and Norbert Wiener laid the groundwork for AI with their theoretical contributions to computing and logic. The term artificial intelligence was coined at the Dartmouth Conference in 1956, where a group of scientists and mathematicians convened to discuss the potential of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. This event marked the official birth of the field. In the early 1960s, researchers began developing early AI programs, including programs that could play chess, translate languages, and solve mathematical problems. One of the first AI programs, the Logic Theorist, was developed in 1956 by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon, showcasing the potential of AI to perform complex tasks. After the initial optimism, progress in AI research slowed in the 70s and 80s due to challenges in developing practical applications and limitations in computing power. This period, known as the AI winter, saw decreased funding and interest in AI research. Despite this setback, researchers continued to push the boundaries of AI technology. During the AI winter, interest shifted towards expert systems, which were AI programs designed to emulate the decision-making abilities of human experts in specific domains. This era also saw advancements in knowledge representation and reasoning. In the 80s and 90s, there was renewed interest in neural networks and machine learning algorithms. Researchers developed new techniques for training neural networks and applying them to a variety of tasks, including pattern recognition and speech recognition. The 21st century has seen exponential growth in AI research and development, fueled by the availability of big data and advancements in computing power. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning based on artificial neural networks, has led to breakthroughs in image recognition, natural language processing, and other AI applications. Technologies like IBM's Watson, self-driving cars, and virtual assistants have revolutionized industries and everyday life. Companies and organizations are starting to leverage AI to improve efficiency, productivity, and decision-making. As AI technologies become more pervasive, there is growing concern about ethical issues such as bias in algorithms, data privacy, job displacement, and the impact of AI on society. Efforts are underway to address these challenges and ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly. Looking into the future, the possibilities of AI are endless. AI is reshaping the way we live and work. With ongoing research and innovation, the future of AI promises even greater advancements and opportunities. The history of AI is a testament to human ingenuity and innovation, with each milestone paving the way for new discoveries and possibilities in the quest to create intelligent machines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.